So, good morning, friends. Hope you all good. So today, as per the topic, we are going to discuss about the hidden support and resistance. This is mainly different from the many support and resistance. So in this case, there are many support like the pivots lines, like the moving average at the Fibonacci level, or some triangle patterns, trend lines. So support and resistance for the structure or the big. So in this case, I will not show those type of levels. We can talk about the unique levels, which are mainly the market decision or the big institution are selling or those areas or those emotional areas we are talking about. So in this case, in this strategy, I will show you this level. So in this strategy, you will show the potential volume candles. As you can see, make sure you don't skip this video. This strategy is very good and you can watch full video to get know how to trade them. So in this supply chart, as you can see, I already opened that. I will show you one by one how to identify them, how to trade them and make profits in your intraday trading. So in this case, I will show you from my drawing side, and as you can see, this is the potential volume chart and this is the candle here around this. I think this candle is, and this is the volume bar, which is potential high volume bar. So in this case, I will mark those areas from the horizontal highs and lows. So you can also mark those areas whenever you can check the potential volume candles. So I will mark highs and lows for the future. As you can see, the support and resistance work like a horizontal line up and down. It is basically the area. So I will mark those area for my future purposes. I will check those area constantly for my trading purposes. So as you can see, in the next day, you can when prices reaches back to those levels, it is clearly a selling point. So as you can see, I will mark those levels here. I will check you these levels, and this is levels for the next trading day. This is the session break, as you can see there, and this is session break. You can see this rejection level. This is a very good, and this that time market is very volatile there, and due to this the market give a upsurge move to there but cannot sustain it. As you can see, this type of purposes, the many trap trader can hit this level. You can already mark those areas. As you can see, I mark those areas. As you mark those areas, that level, you can see the market breaks that and rejects the big candles, big red bearish candles. You can see there, very bearish. This shows the breakout failure there, and can trade them against, and there's exit order will give you the profitable short position. You already build that level here, this horizontal line, and this clearly works like a rejection and resistance levels. You can easily show how this beautifully work there. You can check those level here already drawn from the previous side. As you can see, clearly downtrend signals. So in these downtrend signals, you can trade them and you can profit very good in the intraday trading. So this is a very good tool, and I will again show you how to use different type of situation to make sure you don't skip this video. And please hit that like and subscribe button for more interesting video. So as we'll continue later. So again, the market goes to retest to those levels, and you can see there is a upsurge in move. As market slowly goes upward, we can update our levels to more potential high levels. So as you can see there, the bearish candle is not more less than the bullish. As you can see, slight difference is there for the bullish and bearish. So we can take the higher side, which has the maximum volume in the charts. So I will adjust my support and resistance lines to these areas to work like a magic at those areas. So I can see those areas work like a very good hold period of the area. So support and resistance because of the area levels. So I will mark those levels here and check when the price retraces back to those levels. I will trade against them or trade forward, because when support lets break, it breaks the resistance, or is so vice versa like that. So sometimes like the breakout failure also. So make sure not every support becomes resistance and every resistance becomes support. It is because of the trading decision which we already talking about. So we will already progress our levels and we can know how this react in our future trading days. So when price reacts there in the next trading day, you can see clear rejection here, clear bearish trend. So this bullish bar is mainly the sell opportunity for the intraday traders to earn big, because in morning times there is a good profit potential. And you can see there already I marked those levels in my previous horizontal lines, and you can see currently distribution is happening there, not accumulating, or distribution is happening there. You plot those levels, you know that these levels are important levels in the previous past many trading days, and this works another day works like a magic and give you the best profit. You can mark those levels, or you can wait for some this level to break. Sometimes market move at these levels. Basically when there is a up move or down move, market sometimes be a sideways market, it gives you the false signal. So make sure you wait for the proper breakouts to trade and make big profits around those levels. So in this case you can see when market breaks to my level, you can see clearly a very bearish candle with the big volume surge. As you can see there, a big volume surge in this candle level, this candle, this volume, and my horizontal line is there. So it's a clear indication of big downtrend signals, and intraday trader or the swing trader can easily make very good profits there and make very handsome profits. As we progress another trading days, we can see a very good upsurge move. As price return back to those areas, we can show those levels. At this time next trading day, market is not able to reach those levels, so we can find another support and resistance level that time in our previous chart. So when price returns back, so make sure you don't skip any part of video. I will show you how interested this easy part of the video. And as the day progressed, market got fluctuated, and sometimes there is a day like many days after the day where price hit back to those levels which you already marked. So it's just time to trade those levels and make some handsome profit. As you can see there, the market is again reject to those levels already drawn from the previous trading session of the high volume bar candle, and this is mainly because of the algorithm of something, or the trader is averaging out some upper levels. So it may be the good selling point to big institution, and they sell every tick when prices retrace back to those levels. So we can trade against them. As you can see, sometimes the pivot points, moving averages, or some triangle patterns, or the indicator of various things cannot show those levels, and these simple strategies show those levels and alert you that you should make trade against them or to trade forward them. So make sure you don't skip this video, and I will show you some interesting part on the later part. So again it can retrace back, and you can see a clearly downtrend signals there, and prices again retrace back to these levels. You can see a good profit potential here, good profit potential here, so little profit potential here also. So because of the closing part of the day, market not moves to the much lower side, but in the up morning and the afternoon day, market gave me huge profits around those levels. And after that the next trading session the market move upwards. So in this case we have to find the more support and resistance, also work through the moving average or the volume weighted moving VWAP and something like that. There are many other elements which works according to this. So if you include this hidden technique of the high volume bars candle to those already available support and resistance in the market, you can give an accurate your trading result and make your trading decisions more wisely and more accurately. You define your entry exit, you define your risk potentiality and trade against them. So make sure you like this video and please subscribe to my channel for more interesting video like this is mainly a beginner level video. I will post more advanced videos, so make sure you subscribe my channel and like and comment to my channel if you have any queries. Thank you.